Hello, I'm Rushabh Kamda, Director of SLEKA Industries Private Limited, one of India's largest manufacturers of stainless steel submersible pumps. For 30 years, our family has been supplying pump components to India's largest pump manufacturer, including impellers, diffusers, hydraulic components. You'll find them in hundreds of pump manufacturers across India and globally. In 2021, with our expertise, we started our own manufacturing of stainless steel submersible pumps right from the scratch. And that is what we today call ourselves as SLEKA Industries. SLEKA is a complete pumping solutions manufacturer. We manufacture stainless steel submersible pumps, solar submersible motors, both AC and DC, which are assembled and manufactured in our Umbergaon facility. We assemble controller kits in-house in our own electronics line. Even solar CKD kits are made in-house. So we provide end-to-end solution for the entire customer. Every single pumping components, which will include impellers, diffusers, shafts, couplings, casings, everything is designed, machined and assembled in our own facility in-house. And everything is made in either SS304 or 316 as per customer's choice. Our motor manufacturing division produces some of the best solar submersible motors which are engineered for high temperature, sandy conditions, varying water levels, basically for majority of the off-grid conditions which are found. For conventional AC submersible motors in the exports market, we have got you covered when it comes to SS304 motors or cast iron motors, be it 50 Hz or 60 Hz. Our in-house export grading quality systems, our testing conditions ensure that we supply the best motors possible. Every motor, every pump set, system tested at our facility before dispatch. Individual performance certifications, documentation, actual measurement values and not theoretical specifications. We ensure of that. SLEKA Industries is ISO 9001 certified, ISO 14001 certified, and every pump is tested as per ISO 9906 standards. Currently, we are exporting to 11 countries across 4 different continents, which includes countries like Mexico, Morocco, Algeria, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Sri Lanka, and several other countries. And we are growing further. Our partners include OEM distributors who sell SLEKA built pumps under their own brands, and even CKD partners who import disassembled kits and assemble them locally. This is particularly in markets with high import duties like Algeria, Mexico and Turkey and several others. Whether you need finished pump sets, CKD kits or complete solar pumping systems with in-house manufactured motors, we build to your market specifications. Voltage, frequency, branding, packaging, all of it as per your requirement. If you're looking for a complete pumping solutions partner with world-class facilities and world-class systems and products from India, please visit slekaind.com and send us an inquiry. We will respond within 48 hours personally. Thank you.